Now, let me ask you, who said that Subaru Forester parts must be expensive? Who said that Subaru Forester parts must cost an arm and leg? No. No. We are demystifying that myth. We have this original Subaru Forester headlights. This is 2009 to 2012. These ones are the normal headlights. That means they are not xenon. Okay, they are not xenon, and they are not LED. So they're just the normal OEM, the ones that comes with cars. They are original, brand new from Japan. So if you're interested, the two of them are available, right and left hand side. If you want both of them, come with 40,000 tutakupatia. If you want a single, it's only 20,000. We are located in Kitengela, but we do deliveries countrywide. So this is Munyi Auto Hub. Yeah, your home of all car headlights, brake lights, and all car accessories.